guys, Jess Star here with the Star team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing inside our gorgeous new listing. This one is sure to fly off the market. This is 7 Buttonwood Drive, located in the Squadron Line Elementary School District. This house is absolutely wonderful. I'm standing right now in the sunken family room here. They've got a bunch of custom built-ins over here, a wood-burning stove. It literally is adjacent to the kitchen, and it's got a 3-season porch just off of it with a new deck done in 2021. It's also got a new paver patio as well. Nice private yard. Great location, super desirable. There are hardwood floors throughout this house. It is just lovely. This home exudes pride of ownership. You are not gonna wanna miss it. It has so much space, so much fun. What I love about it is in 2022, they did a new roof. New exterior paint was completed. They had a new 200 amp electrical panel and central air all added here. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, partially finished lower level with 350 additional square feet, over 2,400 square feet up top, not including that 3-season sunroom as well. And they've got a brand new kitchen in 2021 too, with all new cabinets, granite countertops, a nice little island too. So you literally will fall in love with this house. Look at how beautiful it is. Nice, light, and bright. So much fun. Freshly painted throughout. Really nothing to do but move in. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath that was remodeled as well, and the upstairs hall bath remodeled in 2023. What more could you want? There's even a private office on the first floor too. Could be a guest room if you need a smaller guest room, but great to have that private office. You have a living room, family room, finished basement, 3-season porch, central air, you name it, it's here. Call us before you miss your opportunity. 860-690-0679, or you can reach the team at 860-325-2484. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.